Ever wondered why your stomach makes those loud growling noises when you are hungry? That sound is not just your stomach complaining, it is science in action. Your brain sends signals to your digestive muscles to contract, even when your stomach is empty. These contractions, called migrating motor complexes, help sweep leftover food and fluids through your intestines. When your stomach is empty, the sound is louder because there is nothing to muffle it. That is why your growls are usually the loudest when you are really hungry. So the next time your stomach growls in class, at work, or on a date, remember, it is not embarrassment. It is just your body keeping things tidy inside. Follow BodyBits for more quick science behind your body's everyday mysteries.